Start with the fifth example. What is said here? Two small spheres, each of mass 10 milligram. So here as the mass of sphere is 10 milligram, so there would be chances of getting wrong in conversion. So milligram can be written as 10 raised to minus 3 gram, but the SI unit is kilogram. So I'll again multiply 10 raised to minus 3 and that becomes kilogram. So the mass comes out to be 10 to the power minus 5 kilogram. Okay, is suspended from a point by a thread of 0.5 meter long. They are equally charged and repel each other to a distance of 0.2 meter. So the charges, they repel each other over a distance of 0.2 meter and the length of the string is 0.55 meter. As both are having same charges, so they will be equal. This would be equal, and let us say this angle is theta. Now if I draw the LBD of this thing, so the weight mg is acting in the downward direction, tension T is acting along the string, and the repulsive force on the charge is acting here. If you resolve this T into two parts, so it would be T cos theta and this would be T sin theta. So T sin theta is equal to F and T cos theta is equal to mg. If I divide these equation, so Tt will get cancelled and tan theta would be equal to F upon mg. Okay, and now I can substitute the values. As I can say tan theta, this theta is very small, so the theta is very small, so I can say tan theta would be equal to, from this triangle it will be 0.1, this is 0.2, so half of 0.2 is 0.1, so tan theta would be equal to 0.1 upon 0.5. So let's substitute the value of tan theta here. This would be 0.1 upon 0.5 is equal to F upon mg. M is 10 raised to minus 5 and value of g is 10. So F comes out to be 1 upon 5 into 10 into 10 raised to minus 5. What I can do is I can write this as 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Now I have got the repulsive force, electrostatic force, and we know that the electrostatic force is given by K, Q into Q square upon R square is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5. We have to find Q. So the Q square would be equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 into square of the distance 0.2 the whole square divided by K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. So the square of Q would be equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 into the square of 0.2 would be 0.04 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So this will be 2 4s are 8, 0.08 upon 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus 9. So I can write Q square is equal to 0.08 upon 9 into 10 to the power minus 14, and I will write this as 8 upon 9 into 10 to the power minus 16. So this is Q square and we have to find Q. So therefore I can write Q as the root of 8 upon root of 9 is 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. The value of root 2 would be 2 root 2 upon 3 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb, that is the value of charge. And I will equate A here. In order to find A, I will equate this value to this value, which is A upon 21. So from question it is given that the charge is A upon 21 into 10 raised to minus 8, while calculating the value of charge is 2 root 2 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. So 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8 can cancel. A would be equal to 2 root 2 into 21 upon 3, 3 7 are 21, 2 into the value of root 2 is 1.414 into 7, 2 7s is 14 into 1.414. Approximately we note that the square of 14 is 19.6. So here also 14 into 1.414, if you multiply 14 into 1.414, so it will be 1.96. This particular ratio that comes out to be 1.96, as you can see. Okay, and the correct answer to this question will come out to be the square of 14 is 196 and decimal point will be 1 after one digit, so 19.6 can be round off to 2. 20, sorry. So the correct answer to this particular question is 20. Thank you.